I, Harshita Shukla, welcome all the respected people in my video presentation. So, topic of my video presentation is COVID-19 and biotechnology. So, let's begin. So, let us first know what is coronavirus. Coronavirus disease COVID 19 is an infectious disease caused by a newly discovered coronavirus. Most people who fall sick with COVID 19 will experience mild to moderate symptoms and recover without special treatment. Now, how COVID 19 spreads. The virus that causes COVID 19 is mainly transmitted through droplets generated when an infected person coughs, sneezes, or exhales. These droplets are too heavy to hang in the air and quickly fall on floors or surfaces. You can be infected by breathing in the virus if you are within close proximity of someone who has COVID 19 or by touching a contaminated surface and then your eyes, nose, or mouth. Most common symptoms of coronavirus: fever, dry cough, tiredness. Less common symptoms of coronavirus are aches and pains, sore throat, diarrhea, headache, loss of taste or smell, a rash on skin, or discoloration of fingers or toes. So, now let us take a look on serious symptoms of coronavirus that are difficulty in breathing or shortness of breath, chest pain or pressure, loss of speech or movement. So, if you have any of these couple of symptoms, so immediately go to a testing center and get your corona test done, because if you don't take it seriously, you may then put your as well as your near and dear one's life at risk. But there is no need to panic, because preventions are there by which you can protect yourself. So, these are some preventions. Clean your hands often, use soap and water or an alcohol based hand rub. Maintain a safe distance from anyone who is coughing or sneezing. Wear a mask when physical distancing is not possible. Don't touch your eyes, nose, or mouth. Cover your nose and mouth with your bent elbow or a tissue when you cough or sneeze. Stay home if you feel unwell. If you have a fever, cough, and difficulty breathing, seek medical attention. Preventions which we can take at our common level: wear masks before going outside, wash your hands frequently, maintain social distancing. Wear a mask, save lives. And it is a well known Hindi saying that Do gaz duri hai zaruri. Tracing of cases. The cases are increasing day by day in India, mainly in Uttar Pradesh. COVID 19 vulnerable and high risk groups. COVID 19 is often more severe in people who are older than 60 years or who have health conditions like diabetes, lung or heart disease, or conditions that affect their immune system. But there is no need to take tension, because precautions are available and you can protect yourselves by taking precautions which are discussed earlier. So now let us know how testing of coronavirus is done. So there are many different types of tests like swab test, nasal aspirate, tracheal aspirate, sputum test, and blood test. These are some pictures related to the testing of coronavirus. Economic impact of COVID-19 pandemic in India. As we all know that this coronavirus has a very bad impact on our economy. The economic impact of the 2020 coronavirus pandemic in India has been largely destructive. India's growth in the fourth quarter of the fiscal year 2020 went down to 3.1% according to the Ministry of Statistics. The chief economic advisor to the government of India said that this drop is mainly due to the coronavirus pandemic effect on the Indian economy. Notably, India had also been witnessing a pre-pandemic slowdown, and according to the World Bank, the current pandemic has magnified pre-existing risk to India's economic outlook. But it is said na कि जान है तो जहान है. So if people will be saved, then our economy will be better again. Effects on various sectors. Largest GDP contraction ever in Q1 April June FY 2020 to 2021 at minus 24%. Sharp rise in unemployment, stress on supply chains, decrease in government income, collapse of the tourism industry, collapse of the hospitality industry, reduced consumer activity, plunge in fuel consumption, rise in LGP sales, rise in LPG sales, fall in trade with China. So, we got to know many things about COVID 19. So, let us now know what is biotechnology. Biotechnology is technology based on biology technology which harnesses cellular and biomolecular processes to develop technologies and products that help improve our lives and the health of our planet. There are many types of biotechnology, like medical biotechnology. And examples of medical biotechnology are vaccines and antibiotics. Agricultural biotechnology. And examples of agricultural biotechnology are pest resistant crops, plant and animal breeding. Industrial biotechnology. Examples of industrial biotechnology are biocatalysts, fermentation, and microorganisms. Environmental biotechnology. Example of environmental biotechnology is bioremediation. Applications of biotechnology. Biotechnology has applications in four major industrial areas, including healthcare, that is medical, crop production and agriculture, non-food, that is industrial, uses of crops and other products, example, biodegradable plastics, vegetable oil, biofuels, and environmental uses. Now, the main thing, connection of biotechnology and COVID 19. The role of biotechnology against coronavirus. A scientific team from Europe compiled and reviewed the existing plant technologies being used to currently combat SARS CoV 2, the virus for the COVID 19 pandemic. They published, they published their paper with the aim of highlighting technologies where plants can make major contributions like diagnostic reagents for virus test kits, vaccine production, and antivirals to treat symptoms. Technologies of biotechnology helpful in detection of coronavirus. Commercially available COVID 19 tests currently fall into two major categories. The first category includes molecular assays for detection of SARS CoV 2 viral RNA using polymerase chain reaction that we commonly call PCR based techniques or nucleic acid hybridization related strategies. The second category includes serological and immunological assays that largely rely on detecting antibodies produced by individuals as a result of exposure to the virus or on detection of antigenic proteins in individual. It is important to re-emphasize that these two categories of tests serve overlapping purposes in management of the COVID-19 pandemic. PCR mainly has three techniques: denaturation, annealing, and elongation. Roles which biotechnology has played in the COVID 19 pandemic: identification of the type of virus, testing, exploring, discovery of vaccines and medicines. Although the field of biotechnology has done many things before and doing a lot of things for the welfare of society which cannot be summed up in a video or a presentation. But at the end, I would like to conclude by saying my self written quote that biotechnology is not only a subject, but it is a gift to mankind which has always worked for the well being of humans. So I hope you liked my video presentation and thank you for seeing my video presentation. Thanks a lot. Thank you.